Okay, welcome back to Movie Masters. We are going to do another flight range test. I did one the other day, but I did it in sports mode, and I've been told that doing it in normal mode will give it the extra length, so we're going to give that a go. So first I'm going to set my controller to screen record, which you can do down by swiping left on the top side of the screen, and then you bring up the screen record button and hit record. Anyway, let's see how far we can get this. It's a little windy today, and I'm in a different area from yesterday, but there's nothing in front of us. All right, my home point has been updated. I'm just gonna lift it just to 16 meters. All right, now we're gonna go. Okay, let's see how far this goes. So yesterday I managed to do 3,000 meters, or 3,300 in sports mode, and that got me down to 50% battery. So we're gonna go all the way again to 50% and see how far we get this time. If we beat the range of 3,300, well, that's a win. So I find if you are facing where the drone is flying, you will get better reception. So when I just faced the opposite direction, the bars on my remote control drop from 5 to 3. And when I turn around and face this way, they go back up to 5. So you really do want to have direct line of sight to the drone to maximize the distance that you're going to get. All right, we've just reached 1,500 meters. All right, 1,800 meters now. And we've been flying for just over 4 minutes and 45 seconds. I've still got a constant 5 bars, and I'm at 65% battery, and we're just passing the 2,000 meter mark now. All right, so the flight time is at 6 or 7 minutes, and we're at 50% battery now. So, but we've only reached 2,900 meters, but it is windier. Anyway, I'm gonna push it a little bit more because yesterday I did have 24% battery when I returned. So I'm gonna keep this going. We're at 3,000 meters. We still have, I've dropped some bars now, so we've gone from 5 bars to 3 bars, and that's just happened, just past 3,000.
Authorization zone reached.
All right, so I hit an authorization zone. There is an airport. That's a pity. So we got 3,100 meters. But we had passed that 50% mark. So at 44%, I'm now returning home. So we got about as far as the other one, and to play it safe, we did want to return home with about 50% battery. So I would say, look, to its actual limits, I think you're going to get around 3,500 meters from this drone, playing it safely. I think you could probably push it close to 4,000, but considering if you're using your standard battery that is meant to give you 35 minutes of life, I think that's what you're going to get. Anyway, let's see that it safely returns home, and there is another flight test from me, and this is in the normal flight mode.